What's up guys, here I am back after a long time. Actually I took a break from YouTube just because of my some personal reasons. Okay. Today I'm going to talk to you about 5 amazingly useful apps that are going to take your productivity game to the next level. So without any further ado, let's get started. আর হ্যাঁ, আমি তো বলতেই ভুলে গেছিলাম, I bought this Redmi Note 10 Pro Max few days ago and it's a damn good smartphone except its bugs. If the bugs are fixed by Xiaomi, then it's a very good option at its price point. So if you are interested or planning for a new smartphone, then you can definitely check it out. And now here it comes. The first application of the list is Keep Notes by Google. So I regularly use this application on my phone because I have a lot of things to make notes about. So I use this application a lot. Though I have a inbuilt application called MI Notes in my phone and it comes in Poco devices also, but I like to use this application because it comes with many kinds of customization options and a very simple minimalistic UI. In this application we get the freedom to change the background color of each and every notes, and also we can back them up with our Google accounts. So definitely check this out, link in the description below. So let's come to the second application in the list called Forest. Basically it's a timer application that helps you to add a fun vibe in your task completing procedure using this app. What you have to do is to set a time span in this timer and to complete your task within this particular time, and after you are done, this app will plant a tree in your virtual garden, and it feels more like a game than a timer app. I am using this application for more than 1 month and trust me, it helps me a lot. So do check it out, link in the description below. So let's jump into the third application in our list called Healing Sound. It's a music application, comes with sounds of different frequencies. This application provides you different categories of sounds that will make you to get over your anxiety and make you sleep and also help you to meditate. I don't really need this application to meditate or to sleep, but there are many people it may be useful for, so I decided to include this in this video. But when I was casually listening those music, they were terribly satisfying. So do check it out, link in the description below. Now moving into the next application, I mean the fourth application in our list called O Launcher. It's a very minimalistic launcher and has a very clean look. If you don't like fancy home screen or some junk in your home screen, then you can definitely go for it. It's not that much eye-catchy, so it won't distract you as well, so you can stay focused. So definitely check this out, link in the description below. So here is last but not the least application called Yoda. It provides you a large amount of information on various topics and presents it to you in a picturized form. You can also select your own topics to get information about. So definitely check this out, link in the description below. If you like this video, make sure that you give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and don't also forget to click the bell icon because it till the next video comes, stay tuned.